This is level 8, page 34, time and rhythm. The first thing we need to understand is our note and the values, okay? So the biggest note that you can have is a whole note, just a circle. One whole note is equal to 2 half note. One half note is equal to 2 quarter notes. So please copy whatever I write over here, okay? 1 quarter note is equal to 2 eighth note. You are level 8. You should know this already at least, okay? And 1 eighth note is equal to 2 16 notes. 16 notes has 2 flags. So 8th note has 1 flag, 16 note has 2 flags, and 1 16 note is equal to 2 32nd note. I know 32nd note has 3 flags. So you should already memorize this and all the name. So I'm going to change the color. This is called whole note. This is called half note. This is called quarter note. This is called 8th note. This is 16th note, and this is 32nd note. Okay, once you understand this concept, what you need to do is look for the most complicated part. So as you can see, your question is very complicated, but don't worry, we're going to start from the most complicated part. Look at this, how many lines you see? So 3 lines. This 3 lines is your 32nd note. 3 lines is 32nd note. Okay, so we're going to do that first measure. This is 6/8. Okay, so 2 of this combined become a 16 note. So 2 of this combined 16 note. That means from here to here combined 2 16 notes together is a 8th note. So from here to here is 8th note. Then you have a 16 note here plus a 16 note here. Okay, so it is actually a syncopation rhythm. So you have 16, 8, 16. Then you have 8th. 1/8 note is 1 beat. So I know this is my beat 3. So from here to here is your beat 1. From here to here. Beat 2 start from here. Exactly right here, because these 2 together is 16 note. 16 note plus 16 note is 8th note. 1/8 note is 1 beat. This is your 3rd beat. These 2 together is your beat number 4. So I write 4 here. I can leave this one blank. I don't need to write a plus sign. Then those 2 combine become a 16 note. And from here to here, 2 16 notes makes 1/8 note. So this is your beat number 5. From here all the way here. Then this is your beat number 6. 6/8, each note gets 1 beat. So how do I know that? Because long time ago you should already learn about 3 families. So this is just a review. 3 families. First family 2 4 3 4 4 4. Second family 3 8 9 8 6 8 12 8, and your last family 2 2 3 2 and 4 2. You should already know in each family different notes receive different beat. That is 6/8. Okay, so first measure is done for you. So you're supposed to do that all by yourself. When you have a dot, oh, that one is the hard one. But this and this actually is a reverse broken leg. You should already learn broken leg rhythm. So I'm going to put the box here. Together they are 2 beats. 1, and then the 2 goes after that. So 3 goes here. 3 exactly right here. 4. This is 5. Those 2 together is 6. Okay. Second question. 3 4. Okay. So same thing. You're supposed to combine, make quarter note. That this is your broken leg rhythm. Then you know those 2 combined make 16. 2 16 makes 1/8. 2/8 makes 1/4. Then you know from here to here is 1/4. So here's your first beat, you write 1. Here is your second beat, you write 2. Exactly right here. You no need to subdivide it like plus, E and R, no need to. You no need to use the plus sign. All you need to do is make sure your number 1, number 2, and number 3 is going to go exactly from here all the way here is your beat 3. You no need to subdivide it. Okay? This sign you should already know is 2, 2. That means half note equal to 1 beat. So you combine it into half note. So for example, first example, 4/16 notes we know is a quarter note. But then it's not a half note yet because we need 1 beat. Okay? So this is a quarter note. Okay? From here, a dotted quarter note with an eighth note, 2/16 note. This I know together is a half note. This equal to a half note. So you have a quarter note, you have a half note. So you should look for another quarter note, which is right here. This is a quarter note. So from here to here is a quarter note. From here to here is a half note. From here to here is a quarter note. Quarter, half, quarter, you're actually having a syncopation rhythm. That's why it's very hard to write the count. You don't need to write the count because they just need you to draw a bar line. The bar line, your first bar line goes here. So in this measure, you do have 2 half note. Okay? And you can do the last question all by yourself.